Join me as I challenge myself to start my stock market journey today and see how much I can grow my investment in just 1 month. Building financial stability and wealth isn't just a dream for the privileged few. With the power of the stock market, anyone can create a secure financial future for themselves and their loved ones. The stock market is an incredible tool that allows you to grow your wealth over time, providing a safety net for rainy days and a chance to live the life you've always wanted. So, what's holding you back from getting started? Many of us are held back by fear and misconceptions about investing in the stock market. We've all heard the horror stories of people losing their life savings in a single bad investment. We're told that the stock market is only for the rich, the brave, or the ultra smart. But the truth is, most of these fears are based on misunderstanding or a lack of knowledge. The stock market is a tool just like a hammer or a calculator. It's only as good or bad as the person using it. Fear of loss is probably the most significant hurdle for many would-be investors who wouldn't be scared of losing their hard-earned cash. But what if I told you that the biggest risk isn't losing money, but rather not starting at all? The longer you wait, the more opportunities you'll miss, and the harder it'll be to catch up. By not taking that first step, you're essentially guaranteeing that you'll never achieve your financial goals. So, what's the solution? Education, my friend, is key. Learning about the stock market, understanding how it works, and developing a strategy for yourself is the first step towards overcoming that fear. And I'm not talking about becoming an expert or a financial genius. No, I'm talking about having a basic understanding of how to invest safely and smartly. So, how do you get started in the stock market? Well, the first step is to choose a broker. You've got plenty of options out there, from online brokerages to traditional brick and mortar banks. Do your research, read reviews, and find one that fits your needs and budget. Next, you'll want to understand the different types of stocks and how they work. Don't worry if it sounds overwhelming at first. It's easier than you think. Research is crucial when it comes to investing in the stock market. You want to make informed decisions, not guesses or assumptions. Take the time to learn about the companies you're interested in, their financials, their competitors, and their future prospects. This isn't about being an expert, it's about being responsible with your money. One of the most powerful insights I've gained on my own investment journey is the importance of starting small and being consistent. It's not about trying to make a killing in a single investment or timing the market perfectly. It's about creating a habit of investing regularly, no matter how small the amount may be. This approach not only reduces your risk, but also helps you develop a long-term perspective, which is essential for success in the stock market. By starting small, you'll be more likely to stick to your investment plan, even when the market gets rocky. And trust me, it will get rocky at some point. But with a solid plan and a long-term perspective, you'll be able to ride out the storms and come out stronger on the other side. Consistency is key, my friend. It's the difference between investing for the short-term gains and building real wealth over time. Another powerful tip is to focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to have all the answers or a perfect strategy from day one. What you need is to take that first step, learn as you go, and be willing to adapt and adjust your approach along the way. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, and most of them made plenty of mistakes along the way. Let's summarize what we've discussed today. Building financial stability and wealth is within your reach, thanks to the power of the stock market. Don't let fear and misconceptions hold you back from getting started. By choosing a broker, understanding stocks, doing your research, and starting small, you can create a solid foundation for your investment journey. And most importantly, remember that starting today can lead to significant long-term benefits. Thanks for watching. If you're just starting your investment journey, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your thoughts, your fears, and your successes with me. And if you want to learn more about investing in the stock market, be sure to check out my other videos for more in-depth guidance.